Have you ever spent 5 minutes searching for the pickle jar in your fridge, only to realize it was right in front of you the whole time? Yeah, me too. And it's not just forgetfulness. It's actually a clue to how perception works, and it's way more layered than just seeing or hearing. Let me break it down. Perception isn't just your brain taking a snapshot of the world. It's more like your brain is running Photoshop with a million filters, blending images, sounds, emotions, and even meaning into what you call reality. Take the famous pickle jar example. A reminder that sometimes, even with perfect vision, I just don't see something because my brain hasn't tagged it as important. It's not that there's a blank spot, my brain just skips the category, like it's skimming through a document. Now think about Dee, a real person from the late 1990s. After carbon monoxide poisoning, she could see colors and textures just fine, but she couldn't recognize what objects were. She could describe an apple as red and shiny, but she'd have no idea it was an apple. Her eyes worked, but her brain's object recognition filter was out of order. That's wild, right? It shows perception isn't just about our senses. It's the brain layering shapes, categories, and meaning on top of raw data. Ever tried to picture the Parthenon? Can you count the columns? Most people can't. Our mental images are fuzzy, nothing like the real thing. And get this, some folks with a condition called aphantasia can't form mental images at all. So what we see in our minds is just another layer, sometimes missing, sometimes incomplete. And here's where it gets even trickier. Our brains are efficiency experts. They run on about 12 watts. Think tiny nightlight, not supercomputer. So to save energy, the brain takes shortcuts. In a study, people could point out where a letter was among numbers, but if asked out of the blue, hey, what was that letter? They'd draw a blank. The brain just didn't bother to remember it. It's called attribute amnesia. Our minds drop details that don't seem important in the moment. Even with speech, some brain injuries can scramble the meaning layer, so someone hears sounds but can't understand words. Hearing is fine. Comprehension is the missing filter. Here's the big takeaway. Perception isn't a camera, it's a construction crew. Building reality out of raw materials, then painting on layers of meaning, emotion, and memory. A lot of what I experience is my brain's best guess, not a direct window into the world. So next time you can't find that pickle jar, or you forget a detail that was right in front of you, don't be too hard on yourself. It's just your brain, working its magic behind the scenes, piecing together your personal version of reality. Reality isn't just what we sense, it's how our minds choose to see it. Pretty amazing, isn't it?